Now, Nio finished the week trading up over 3.9% or almost 4%, which is one of the things that, ladies and gents, made the retail investors to start having the confidence again in the share price. And obviously, this comes after Nio, ladies and gents, this week gave us their Q2 earnings results, which, ladies and gents, they were quite good, especially looking at the guidance, especially looking at the comments made by the CEO, which obviously we've discussed that on this channel. But these kind of news are the ones that made Nio to finish the week trading up over $19 per stock, which is something that is incredible. Now, one of the things that, ladies and gents, I want to discuss on today's video is, of course, the inflows from consumers going to view the ET5. As right now, most of you already aware that of course the ET5 Nio plans to start selling before this month end, and that is one of the vehicles in Nio which is set to bring in some good numbers in terms of deliveries, and to get to see that a lot of people in China, a lot of consumers were in the Nio houses viewing this. Of course, car is one of the things that is incredible, and you will know that Nio 2 days ago started with locking the orders of this ET5, which is something that is incredible. But before we get deep into this video, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button, comment and subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. So what I'm saying, without wasting any more time, one of the things that of course resulted in the shares of Nio to finish the week this high is of course their earnings, or the earnings that we got to see Nio revealing on Wednesday before the market opens, which, like I said, the guidance was amazing, because in the Q3 or in the next coming earnings, we are to expect Nio to have delivered vehicles of between 31 and 33,000, which is one of the things that is incredible when looking into Nio, because Nio has never delivered over 30,000 vehicles. In fact, the highest that Nio has done is, I think, 25,000 or over 25,700. To get to see that Nio in the Q3, ladies and gents, it's expecting to deliver between 31 and 33,000 vehicles. It's one of the things that makes me to remain bullish, stay calm and long onto this Nio stock, and load the boat whenever I can. Now, this, of course, 31 and 33,000, it's not, I must say that it's not the thing that really was the main highlight on those earnings. But one thing that really was the main highlight, it was when the CEO was asked by analysts and as to what is it that he expects Nio to be delivering, especially looking at the ET5, and he said that Nio is targeting to deliver over 10,000 ET5s in December, which is one of the things that, ladies and gents, as a Nio investor, that should show you, or must show you, that Nio, by the time we reach, of course, December of 2022, we are to expect Nio to deliver massive delivery numbers. And what he said, in especially looking at the Q4, they are expecting to break delivery records each and every month, which is one of the things that, like I said, really excited the investors and made them to load the boat, increase their holdings onto this Nio stock. I mean, so many analysts, Deutsche Bank, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, they all are remaining bullish onto this Nio stock, and they are really focusing on the Q4. They want to see the kind of deliveries that Nio will produce. And these pictures that you see on the screen of consumers in China already flooding the Nio houses is one of the things that must just show you what an ET5 can produce in terms of the deliveries, which is something that must motivate you to remain bullish, stay long and strong onto this Nio stock, because it looks like this is a vehicle in a Nio which will produce robust deliveries. And I'm not saying the ET7, the ES7, which are also the new vehicles that Nio introduced this year, are not going to do well in terms of deliveries this year. In fact, with the ES7, the Nio CEO also highlighted that they've been seeing quite a number of large orders coming for the ES7, which same goes with the ET7. Before the ET5, this was that vehicle that we were seeing a lot of inflows in terms of the orders, meaning that this is a vehicle which is also said to do very well. In fact, Edison Yu from Deutsche Bank believes that very soon we'll be seeing Nio delivering at least a minimum of 5,000 ET7 each and every month, which is something that must just show you that the ET5 is not the only car or model in Nio which will do very well in terms of deliveries, but also other cars like the ES7 and the ET7, which is one of the things that is incredible. And the fact to see, or one of the things that makes me to be really excited, is that Nio, even for their old models, that is this ES6, ES8 and the EC6, they are planning on upgrading those models to use the latest technology that Nio is having on these three new models, that is the ET5, ET7 and the ES7, and that is the NT 2.0 platform, which is one of the things that obviously to get to see that Nio plans to have all their models to have this kind of latest technology, even including the old models. It is one of the things that remains me to be bullish, stay strong and long on to this Nio stock, because one way or the other, this is a stock which will do very well. Now, I just thought I should just give you this quick updates as to the kind of inflows we've been seeing, especially into Nio houses, to say that brace yourselves. It looks like this is a car in Nio which will break so many records. The ET5, it's one of the cars in Nio which is quite a beauty and the cheapest car that Nio is currently selling in the market right now, which is why it makes so much sense that this is a car that will do very well, because it is not only just cheap, but it is quite a beauty, and it most of the features that you get in the ET7 you also get on the ET5. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, I remain bullish, strong and long onto this Nio stock, because I know that one day for sure in the near future we're going to see also the share price following or shooting up so much, following the kind of developments that or the kind of fundamentals that Nio will be having by then. Otherwise, that's all from me. And before you load the boat onto this Nio stock, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.